You've waited all day for the best light. You've waited for just the right moment. The Typhoon H Plus gives you the confidence to capture the best shots you've ever taken. With this aerial camera, professional-grade features are accessible at any skill level. Capture incredible imagery with a large aperture 1-inch sensor camera, capable of 20 megapixel stills and 4K footage at 60 frames per second. Typhoon H Plus comes equipped with Intel RealSense technology, a sophisticated collision avoidance system that detects obstacles and intelligently navigates around them. This aerial camera is powered by a newly redesigned Android-based ST16 controller, which includes a large, high-brightness 7-inch integrated display. Leading its category in stable flight and quiet operation, the large 6-rotor airframe is extremely stable in winds up to 30 miles per hour and is 40% quieter than previous Hex models. Capture those perfect moments with the all-new Typhoon H Plus.